Hello everyone! Every atom has three subatomic particles: the protons, which are positively charged, the neutrons, which are neutral, and the electrons, which are negatively charged. Protons and neutrons are usually found in the nucleus, while electrons are orbiting around the nucleus's energy levels. In this tutorial, we will examine the important characteristics of each subatomic particle in an atom. Each element has its own unique atomic number. But first of all, what is an element? Well, an element is a substance made from one type only of atom. It cannot be broken down into any simpler substances. So an atomic number is like an ID for each element. You can never find two elements that have the same atomic number. The atomic number, or the proton number, indicates the number of protons in an atom. Protons are the positively charged part inside the nucleus of an atom. Also, since atoms are neutral, they have no overall charge, meaning that the positively charged protons will be balanced out by the negatively charged electrons. In other words, the atomic number of an element indicates also the number of electrons in an electrically neutral atom. So the atomic number of an element will be equal to the number of protons, which equals the number of electrons as well in each atom of the element. By convention, we show the atomic numbers of different elements by putting the number as a subscript before the chemical symbol for the element. So let us take an example. When we write Li, which is the chemical symbol of lithium, and you see the subscript 3, it means that this is the atomic number of lithium. In other words, it is the number of protons inside the nucleus of lithium. Moreover, the number of protons will be equal to the number of electrons, since it's a neutral atom. So number of protons equal number of electrons equals to 3. Now let's take a look at this example. An atom of uranium has 92 protons. What is its atomic number? To answer this question, you should know the definition of an atomic number. So what's an atomic number? Yes, you're right. It's the number of protons inside the nucleus. So the atomic number is 92. Now let's take another example. The atomic number of carbon is 6. What information about the carbon atom does this give us? So if you're given Z, which number of subatomic particles do you know? Protons, neutrons, or electrons? Yes, for sure it's protons, since Z, the atomic number, is equal to the number of protons inside the nucleus. So we know the protons. Can we find the electrons? Because atoms are neutral, they will have equal number of protons and electrons. So if we know the number of protons, we can also know the number of electrons. Now what about neutrons? Is there any relationship between the number of protons and the number of neutrons? No, so we can't know the number of neutrons if we're given the protons only. So since it has 6 protons, which is equal to the atomic number, it will have 6 electrons as well. Since it's a neutral atom, however, the atomic number will convey no information about the number of neutrons. So even though we know the atomic number of carbon, we cannot know if it has 6 neutrons or not. So let us now take another example. A chlorine atom has 17 electrons. What is its atomic number? So you're given the number of electrons and asked to find the atomic number. Do you know any relationship between the atomic number and the number of electrons? Well, yes, it's simple. In a neutral atom, the number of electrons equal the number of protons. So the number of protons equal to the atomic number. And if we know the number of electrons, we can easily find the number of protons. So the atomic number is 17 as well, since electrons equals to protons. Well, thanks for watching.